in this video, we'll be solving a question from chapter set. If A1, A2, A3, etc., A30 are 30 set having 5 elements each. That means we have 30 sets. That is A1, A2, A3, etc. A30, 30 sets are there. In each set, there is 5 element each, which means A1 contain 5 element, A2 contain 5 element, till A3, A3 contain 5 element each. And B1, B2, Bn are n set each with 3 elements, 3 element each. Each of these set contain 3 element each. Now, u of I varies from 1 to 30 ai equal to I varies from 1 to n bi, which is equal to s. Now, u of 1 to 30, 1 to 30 ai means, that is u of 1 to 30, I varies from 1 to 30, ai means its union of all sets, that is a1 union, a2 union, a3 union, etc. a30 union of all a30 set of a. And u of I varies from 1 to n, bi means it will be b1 union, b2 union, etc. bn. N such a set will be taken union. And this union of all sets is equal to the total set. You can call it as the universal set. Now, this is bn. And each element of S belong to exactly 10 of the AI. That means, suppose this set that I will explain later, first we can write this. That is, the given condition is union of I varies from 1 to 30 AI equal to union of I varies from 1 to n bi equal to S, which means our S will be equal to A1 union, A2 union, A3 union, etc. A30 union of all A set, and which will be equal to union of all B set, that will be B union, B1 union, B2 union, B3 union, etc. Bn. Now, this is the thing. And each element of S belong to exactly 10 of the AI. That is, suppose our S has set 2 comma 3 comma some elements are there, let it be. In that sense, each element of S belongs to exactly 10 of AI means this 2 will be an element of AI, will be 2 will be an element of this A1, 2 will be an element of A3, 2 will be an element of A10, 2 will be an element of A20, 2 can be element of A25. Now the thing is, 2 is an element of how many AI? How many AI means how many A set? It will be 5 sets. Similarly, the 2 will be happening on if there is one element on S, it will be happening 10 times, 10 such AI. That's the thing, which means 10 such A sets of A will contain one element. If there is one element in S, that element will be present in all 10 sets out of 30. That's the logic. Similarly, exactly 9 of the BI, that is each element in S will be present in 9 of BI. Then find the value of n. That means how much is the value of number of sets of B. That's the logic. Now we can proceed. Now here we will be calculating the number of elements of S, which will be the number of elements of A1 union, A2 union, etc. A30, which will be equal to number of sets of B1 union, B2 union, etc. B. Here the thing is, there are 30 sets of A, and each sets contain 5 element each. That means the thing is, the 30 sets of A contain A. There are 30 sets each having 5 element each, which means there should be 50 elements. But the thing is, suppose there is a value. That means suppose 2 is there. Now 2 of the A contain this 2, 3, 2. The thing is, 2 set contain this value. Now if you add the number of sets, number of elements, it should be 2 plus 2, but actually 4 elements. But when you take the union, you only get 2 elements. That means the thing is, each element is repeated twice, means whatever the total number you are getting, you should divide by 2 to get the actual figure. Therefore, here 30 into 50 should be the actual number of elements in whole union of all A sets. But the thing is, each element present on 10 such AI, which means 1 by 10 should be considered. Which means, suppose an element 2 is present in S, means it will be present 10 times, which means 10 times it will be present. That means you should take only 1 by 10. Here n such sets are there. So the thing is, number of set into each set has how many elements? Each B set has 3 elements. So there should be 3 n terms, but the thing is, each element of S repeats 9 times in BI, which means if there is one element in S, it will be present in 9 times in the whole union of these value, which means it should be 1 by 9th. Now the thing is, we can cancel this 0, 0, 3, 3. At the end, you will get n equal to 4 into 5, 5 into 9, which is equal to 45. The logic is, suppose we have 3 sets, that is 2 comma 3, then 3 comma 4 and 2 comma 4. Here I am taking the union. If I take the union, that is A union, B union, C, I am taking union of all sets. What I will get? I will get 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Actually, how many elements are there? There are 3 elements. How did I got the 3 elements? I just added the number of set. Number of set will be how many sets? 1, 2, 3. That will be 3 into each set contain how many elements? There are 2 elements each. And each element is repeated how many times? 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 3 times, 4 is repeated 4 times, which means 2 is present. Each element of this set, that is the union total set, is present in 2 of such sets, right? That's why I will be dividing with that thing. Here, the same logic works here. We will be multiplying the number of sets over here, and 5 will be the number of set values in each set divided by the how many times it will be repeated. That will be applied on both sides. We will get the solution.